is we're going to move on using the BlackTrax technology and actually start to track a physical object. See how the graphics follow. This graphics out, this very technical pattern out to anything. That's that logo we all recognize. That's another logo. You know, as I said, we can put anything onto this surface. For example, a bit of live camera input. There we go. So you can turn this presentation, you can actually turn this into like a presentation board if you like. You know, there's no really any limitations. It's just a piece of video played onto a screen. It just happens to move that screen. We can also put this camera input into an effect processor. So we can actually use Notch here, which we talked about earlier, to treat this camera input and create an effect out of it. So let's just do that. And this is just one of many, many Notch effects. One of the main reasons why very, very big productions are using Notch, D3, and BlackTrax, that combination into their productions. And we should now focus on the camera here, you see, because that camera can be tracked. It can be tracked in 3D, because that means we can start to make content from the point of view of that camera. How it's being cropped off as we move in. But it's not being cropped off in the camera. It's perfect in the camera. But here it is. So we're basically projecting content from the point of view of that camera. We then made a window into this 3D world, which is the same shape as the LED. And that camera is basically looking through that window. And that's why you're obviously changing the perspective all the time of the graphics.